broke above the high, and you know, like that's about it. We basically, let me remove this blue line. Very delicate situation over here. Did you take the sell before? No. No, I didn't take any sells before. I'm just in these buys here. No sells. Switzerland says salam, walaikum salam from Dubai. Mate. Walaikum salam from Dubai. I think we can move till like 25.11. I think that's going to be better. Move till 25.11. That's going to be very, very good. Are the losing trades in your panel counted from managing risk and counted by C-trade losing trade? Yes. Do I think it will break resistance? It's already above resistance area. All right, had to connect my Magic Keys. Okay, let's see here. All right, YouTube is coming in as well. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So this was a perfect example of an impulse entry. I think we should be good on this part. Let's see here. Okay. Awesome, look at that. 14 pips right there, 14 pips. I think I'm going to close. Oh, no. No. Okay, anyway. Let's bring up Magic Keys over here. Okay, awesome. Okay, did you close full when price came back to entry? No, it's still the same position. I have the same position running. Let's take a look at this chart. This chart is gold buys. Oh, nice, from the very bottom, man. Congratulations. Gold buys from the very bottom. Okay, look at that. So right over here, I can close half. You can see that I closed half by pressing Magic Keys. Close half. Look, I'm going to close half again. Look at the lot size right here. It says 17.5. I'll press close half. 19 pips. Boom. Close half again. New risk reward is 2 to 3. See how handy Magic Keys is? Look at that. I can press close half again. Boom. Close half. And I can put my stops at break even as well. Okay, anyway, I'm going to secure this right over here. 19, 20 pips here. So if I look at this, I think it closed in multiple positions. Yeah, multiple. Made like 5,400. Not bad. 1%. 5,400. So you can see like multiple positions were closed one by one by one. So this was a perfect example of impulse entry. Huge rejection. Price broke above the high. Took a buy. Stop loss below this candle. I know a lot of people in Discord also took this trade. Yeah, let's take a look at Mendika. Obviously, Mendika got the bigger move. Let's take a look at Option Rider. Option Rider. What the fuck is this? Gold. Couldn't catch the move because market closed right away. Was waiting for impulse. Okay. Waited for retracement. It happened. Then I waited for retracement to resistance to form. All right. I waited for the next candle to break the low. Right over here. Okay. Observation all candle in a certain. Oh, okay. Hope a retired can understand. Hope a retired can understand. What was wrong? Nothing was wrong. All you could do was manage risk because you have this candle closing a weak body. So then you're like, oh, okay, well, you know, maybe it's closing a weak bullish body. It's not going to go down. So then you got to make a decision whether you should close the trade or you should let it open. Was some minutes too late? No. No. Basically, this candle closed with no wick. This candle closed with no wick. This candle closed like this. Next candle broke above the high because it created a resistance. So this was a counter trend impulse entry trade. Would you close 50% if a bearish candle printed against you on the 15-minute? Yes. How to order Magic Key and how can we connect it with C Trader in Dominion? How to order Magic Keys? You go to MagicKeys.trade and then you can order Magic Keys. That's how you order Magic Keys. Go to MagicKeys.trade and then literally it comes with a manual where you can connect it to C Trader. I have mine connected to C Trader. See this right here? It's connected to C Trader. I press open calc. It's going to open calc, show me whatever. I can change my risk appetite. I can even add more risk over here, you know, so it's pretty good. Any discount can we get on Magic Keys? Listen, there are no discounts for greatness. There are no discounts, you know. It absolutely boggles my mind that someone is in this industry to make money. You're in the industry to make money, but still look for discounts. How much is Magic Keys right now? Let me see this over here. Let me go to the website and let me see how much is Magic Keys. www.magickeys.trade. Let's see over here. How much is Magic Keys? Say one something. Okay, let's go. Oh, look at that. 15% off with code MK15. Okay. $185. That's nothing. $185 is absolutely nothing. How many people are watching this right now? I don't know, but man, Magic Keys has really, really, really helped me with my risk management. Trust me. For prop firms, for your personal trading, whatever. It's like $180. $180. What's $180? You guys are gonna lose $500 this week anyway. Just put $185 over here. Get yourself Magic Keys. First trade I've taken in a few weeks, secured half and stops at break even. Awesome. Wow, look at that rejection. Look at that close. Boom, boom. Look at that close and look at that rejection. Let's take a look at this chart over here. Oh, we can't open this chart for you. Themis, you sent the wrong chart. They can't open this chart for me. You need to send a snapshot. Let's take a look at YouTube over here. See what YouTube is saying over here. Yeah, this was a very good trade. You know, very, very good. I was pretty happy with this impulse entry. Where is your take profit? It's already ended. Magic Keys is horrible. Okay, Trader Dev, you go make something better. Does Magic Keys work with Trade Locker? Not at this point. No. It's normal that C Trader on Mac does not open a chart window. Yes, that's correct. Mac OS, it's like that, you know. Let's take a look at this chart here by Themis. Themis. Oh, you took a sell over here. Stop loss above the previous candle. You took a sell. I think you need to adjust your zone here, Themis. You need to make the zone a little bit thinner, right? A little bit thinner so that it aligns with this close. Look at this close. Look at this close. And look how the candle closed below this close. So adjust this zone. You took a sell right over here. Stops above here. Yeah, it's a good trade. You had clean range left inside. It's good. Never doubt yourself. Never ever doubt yourself. You deserved that win. You deserved it. Is there a broker in the US you would recommend since Dominion doesn't accept US clients? I have no idea. US is uncharted territory, to be honest. Oanda is there. KOT FX is there. They use Trade Locker. You know, give me your address. I want to meet you. Sorry, I don't meet randoms off the internet. Magic Keys work for Vantage FX? Yes. Yes, Magic Keys work for Vantage FX. Ravi made 280. Beautiful. Good job, man. Can a swing trend with impulse entries? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Can I deposit, withdraw from crypto wallet? Yes. Someone made 6K. Wow, you made more than me, buddy. Abe-san, let's take a look at this Discord over here. Where is it? In Motivation and Profits? Posted in Motivation and Profits. Oh, wow, look at that. 55,000. What the what? $55,000 passed. Beautiful. Was it in London session? 1K. Oh, nice. I see that over there. Empire made $6,800. Beautiful. Amazing. Yeah, this was actually a very good move here. Impulse entry. You know, the one thing is I'm gonna let you guys know. One thing is that never hold your trade to a target where you think in your mind it should hit. Never hold your trade to a target which you in your mind you should hit, because statistically speaking, whenever you take a trade, it's very easy for you to secure 15 to 20 pips all the time. You can always secure 15 to 20 pips all the time. You know, it's your mind that says, oh, hey, no, let's hold the trade. Let's hold the trade for another 10 pips or another 15 pips. Let's take like 30, 35 pips. 80% of the time, it's not going to work. How many of you guys have faced that problem where you're going to hold the trade for like 30, 35 pips and it retraces all the way down, goes through your entry and goes back and drawdown? How many times has that happened to you? How many times? Say I. It used to happen to me. I'm going to be the first one to say I. You know, it happens. It happens all the time. You know, and I tell everyone this, that the best way to secure profits is to secure 15 to 20 pips. That's it. That's all what you got to do. Secure 15 to 20 pips. In the beginning, when I first started, I was securing 10 pips, you know, and people made fun of me. They're like, oh, Raja's taking like 10 pips, you know, this 10 pip man, 10 pip this, 10 pip that, blah, blah, blah. Look where we are now. You know, I'm still in like 10 to 15 pip profits. That's it. That's all what I do. 10 to 15 pip profits. Let's take a look at the history right over here. Current month, let's take a look at this. Right, look. 22, 23, 13, 13, 13, 120. This is abnormal moves. Then you got, you know, 12, 10, 33, sometimes get 70, 18, 23, you know, some losses over here, you know, big losses over here. Then 17, you know, 18, 34, 16, you know, so that happens. That does happen. You are amazing. Allah bless you. Thank you. Can complete second verification. That's all up to you then. I have a 5K account. How much lot size should I use? 0.5. That was my issue. Stop doing that. Now I'm profitable. Amazing. Very, very well done. Very, very well done. But yeah, this was very good. You look good in white. Thank you. Can you buy MagicKeys from Pakistan? Yes, you can. Yes, you can buy MagicKeys in Pakistan. There's one thing that I like to do. So look, I'm going to press open calc on my MagicKeys. This is actually backlit, by the way, right? So I'm going to press open calc. You see there's nothing right over here to the left-hand side, right? You see the risk here. It's going to show me risk 1.98%. I go over here. It shows me 1%. So check this out. I go over here. I go to settings. I scroll down. And right here, I remove 1.8. I put 2. I put 3. And then I put 5. And I hit OK. Now look. If I hit 5, it's going to risk 5%. Look at that. 4.95. 5%. Hit 3, 3%. 2, 2%. You know, that's how it is. It shows you everything right over here. Daily result, whatever. Made close to like 0.9%, you know. Yeah. What's this? Raja, I'm in MFU. For 3 months. After all knowledge, now my perception psychology changed completely, and I'm sticking to 1 to 2 trades. Finally, 2 weeks and profits. Thanks a lot, Mr. Raja. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. I think that's the best thing that you have ever done. I think it all comes down to psychology too at the end of the day. Like, it all comes down to psychology, you know, and it also comes down to, okay, so there was something I was listening, and what I was listening was, it's like someone said, like, you know, I'm over trading a lot. And the guy asked, okay, you're over trading a lot. Is that a habit or is that a choice? You know, if you're over risking, is that a habit or is that a choice? You know, if you don't like to do something and you're still doing it, that's not a habit. That's a choice you're making. A habit is that something that's going to benefit you. You know, a habit of like, you know, like I go to the gym, that's a habit. Or you focus on 1 or 2 trades a day, every morning, once a morning, that's a habit. But if you do, let's say you over risk or you over leverage and you lose, you know, that's not a habit. That's a choice you're making. You know, because you can make a mistake once. You can make a mistake once. When you make a mistake the second time, or you make a mistake the third time, that's not a mistake. Then that becomes a choice. That's a choice at that point. You know, you over risked by mistake. Okay, you're not going to do this again. You over risked a second time knowingly. That's a choice. So that's one thing you got to really understand about yourself. I'm a member of two communities, MFU and another one. They trade totally different in MFU, and every time I go crazy with them, I blow accounts, blow challenges. It's been a real struggle, so I canceled my membership with them. Focus on MFU only. Awesome, man. Awesome. You know what? We have a lot of people. We have a lot of people who make profits, and then from those profits, they pay for the subscription. You know, we have a lot of students like that who do that. Do you think GJ will go up? I don't know. Send a chart. Oh, thank you, Hajar. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Let's take a look at this over here. Do I think GJ will go up? Do I think it will go up? Are you in a buy, or are you in a buy and are you in a drawdown? Are you in a buy and or are you in a drawdown? That's something we need to know first. So this is what we're looking at on pound yen, right? So currently right now, this is the 1 hour time frame. Let's take a look on a 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame is just ranging. 30-minute time frame ranging, 34 pip range. What the fuck are you going to do in this 34 pip range? Nothing. You can't do anything in this range. So the best idea is going to be wait for a candle to close above 191.350, because if you can realistically get a candle to close above 192, wow, I accidentally pressed sell, and good thing it didn't open the position. Accident. So, right, if you're going to get a candle to close above 191.350, knowing that there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles could not close above 191.350, you got a nice range of like 41 pips for price to move up. So I think that's going to be something to look for. You know, at the same time, if we break, actually, you know what, the fucking this setup on pound yen is way better. You know, because obviously you got price in a range, and if you do break below, let's say 190.970, you got like a 32 pip range. But I do think price can move up on pound yen, because we're rejecting 191, and 191 is like a whole number psychological level. It's a whole number psychological level. So I do think there's a possibility to reject 191 and break above 191.350 to continue to push up. You know, but if we break 191, then we're definitely pushing down. I got a 25K funded account this morning. How do I manage the account? Why the fuck did you get a 25,000 funded account when you don't even know how you're going to manage it? Do more of the same stuff I did to pass phase 1, phase 2. I was risking 1% every trade per task point. Man, that's all up to you. That's all up to you. That's like buying a Ferrari when you've never ever driven a car, and from a bicycle you start to drive a Ferrari. You're like, okay, so how do I drive this Ferrari? Why did you buy the Ferrari anyway in the first place? 25K funded account doesn't make sense to me. You know, are you profitable? Are you really profitable? What's your take on funded accounts? Yeah, go for them. But the only way you should go for funded accounts is if you have proven to yourself that you are profitable on your personal account. Then go with funded accounts. GJ will go up as Bank of Japan still not willing to raise rates to ease inflation. Yes, that's true. Prof from Gabari, I don't know yet. Maybe October, November. Camera on your face. It is on your face. Camera is covered by something now. What are you guys talking about? Oh, okay. Yeah, you guys couldn't see that. YouTube wanted to see me. I continuously lost 1 year. Then I started watching you, and within 3 months, I'm at break even. Will be profitable soon, inshallah. Mohsin Raza, congratulations. But imagine what you will do when you're in Market Fluidity University. Just imagine what you will do. Here, I'm going to paste the link here for you. The MagicKeys setup post giveaway of 500. When is it happening? When the winner will be announced? What? What winner? Sir, can you switch on GIFs on Discord for us? No. You people are going to go wild. Did you read my quote? Where's that quote? Do not let patience be just laziness in disguise. That is correct. Don't let patience and laziness be in disguise. I also read another quote, and that quote was that imagine you are so successful, right? Imagine you are so successful, but you have no one to wait for you when you come home. And you have no one to wake you up in the morning. And you have to wake up yourself and you do everything yourself. And you're super successful. At the very core values, is that freedom or is that loneliness? Very amazing quote. Is that freedom or is that loneliness? Is it possible to recover from 25%? Yes, it is. Does Magic Key work with futures? Not yet. How to predict next handle? What next handle? Next handle as if we continue to push up above 25.09 and 25.10. So yeah, so you got these clean candles here to the left hand side, clean candle, clean candle, clean candle, going all the way up to this area over here, 25.16. Absolutely we can reach 25.16. But we need a candle to close above this area now, We need a candle to close above this area. I mean, if we're looking at if we're looking at potential sells, I need to figure out a way how to make this box a little smaller. Anyway, okay, let's remove the zone. Let's look to the left-hand side. Yeah, I guess we could continue pushing down over here if we do break below 25.05. Earlier in my losses, I was not having complete knowledge, which affected my confidence. When confidence lost, it affected my psychology. Oh, beautiful. You can be rich, but if you have no one to share it with, then it's nothing. Find a gold digger, use share. You're probably going to share everything at that point. Is your mindset now to wait for another setup afterwards taking a win? How long should you wait for? So I took a trade. Let's go back to today. So I took a trade. I won that trade. I made money. Beautiful, So now what I'm going to be looking for is ideally I want a candle to close above 25.09. If I can get a candle to close above 25.09. Okay, so this is what I specifically want. Okay, so I'm very, very specific in what I really want to see. So this is what I really want to see. So I'm going to draw it out here for you guys. What I really want to see is this. This is what I really want to see, right? So this candle has broken and closed above 25.09. It's still respecting this wick, but it has closed above this area where this candle rejected it. So now I'm thinking that, okay, if we've closed above, the probability of the next candle to continue to push up is higher. 30-minute or 15-minute. Peter, what time frame are we on? What time frame are we on? That's your answer right there. So that's what I want to see ideally, 15-minute, no. I'm not going to focus on the 15-minute because 15-minute has this minor resistance, and this minor resistance may throw you off. And if you get a 30-minute candle to close like that, then the volume from the 30-minute is enough to break above this this minor 15-minute resistance. You use full lot size or half? I don't know. I think I'm probably going to use, so I used a 35 lot over here. I think I'm going to use maybe like 10 or 15 lots if it does happen, 10 or 15 lots. But ideally, whenever I take a trade, I want to wait an hour before I take a second trade. Okay? Remember, whenever I take a trade, ideally, I want to wait 1 hour before I take a second trade. 1 hour. Don't ask me why. Just 1 hour, because the high of a win has to die away. If you've lost a trade, the high of the loss has to die away, so that's why. My buddy watches your stuff and makes profit, but he never takes profit, likes to wait for home runs. Advise that motherfucker. Tell him to stop trading at all. Tell him just stop it. It's never going to work for him. Never going to work for him. And you sit at the chart for that hour or the break. No, I'm just going to sit. I'm actually going to just wait around for the next 30 minutes to see what happens. I'm I'm actually gonna sit around. I'm actually gonna sit around and just have a banana, you know? That's all what I'm gonna do. Because look, here's the thing. This thing over here, so if I remove everything, we are ideally creating a low over here, right? We're ideally creating a low. If we're creating a low over here, then that means maybe price is going to retrace and create some resistance and then continue to push down, you know, ideally. Looking at the 30-minute, however, we have created some sort of a market structure. Who's messaging me over here? Okay, because ideally the 30-minute has created some sort of a structure right here. Look, we've created some sort of a structure. So, you know, I'm just waiting over here. I'm not trying to indulge in anything at this point, nothing. I'm just going to wait. I mean, if we break this high above, then sure, it's going to go up, but, you know, already took my profit. So just going to wait for the 1 hour candle to close. On which platform do you take the trade? C Trader. This is C Trader on Dominion Markets. C Trader on Dominion Markets. Oh, wow, look at that. We're breaking the high over here in the first 2 minutes. Awesome. You should have some shares with CB. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. What a blessing to have you, Raja. Thank you, sir, for the inspiration. Thank you. Impartation. What? Impartation. Can intraday trading make the same money as scalping? Yes. I have blown 20 prop firm challenges. What would your suggestion to someone in my position be? You have blown 20 prop firm challenges? How much money did you have, buddy? How much money did you have? You people are going to lose more money in the markets. You will lose more money trying prop firms than what you're going to want to risk in education, or not even risk, with what you want to invest in education for yourself. That's what's gonna, that's what I see every day. People lose more money in the markets than what they're afraid to invest in education. And this is why you lose. You have no education, you have no guidance, you have no mentorship. You just see this, oh, you know, for $50 I can go buy this $10,000 prop firm account. Let me trade this, and you lose it. Then you do another one. Then you do another one. Before you know it, you're down $1,000. Before you know it, you're down. I know a guy who has spent $34,000 in the last 2 months on prop firm challenges. Prop firm challenges. $34,000 in the last 2 months because he just wanted to do this, you know, 100K accounts over and over and over again. And he never did it. And then I asked him, man, have you ever had some education? And the guy said, no, I never got any sort of education. I never got education. There was just free stuff on YouTube. I just went through that, and that's all what I did. You know, and now the person is in Market Fluidity University, and he just passed his first funded challenge 2 days ago. The first one he just passed because of education. Which pair are you looking at? Brother, open your eyes and you will see the light. I blew 18 funded accounts. Now I'm on my 20K personal account, making 4K in 25 days. Beautiful, Marwan. That's absolutely beautiful. Almost gave up on trading, was hoping from coast to course. So you were the course hopper. Came across your reel 2 weeks back. Joined full membership. I'm at $700 profit so far. Oh, welcome. Welcome. We appreciate you. Yeah, everything is all about mindset. Everything is about mindset. Trust me. Fahad, don't worry about the funded challenge. Don't worry about it. It's gonna delay your progress for another year. I've blown a few prop firm challenges. I've been in MFU and I've passed 2 challenges simply by just following structure from education such as, oh, beautiful, Lewis. That's absolutely amazing. This is what I like to see, man. This is what I like to see. I like to see when people say, I took education, not my education, any education. They took education, they paid someone, they took education, and now they're profitable. That's what I like to see. You know, there are some retards, you know, in a good way, who take no education. They are profitable, but they are a very few of them. There are very few of them. Where is the Dubai event happening? Obviously, I can't tell you that publicly for obvious reasons. But in Sri Lanka. But there was an email sent yesterday. So you need to check your emails. Check your spam. Check your junk mail. See, Pinder Singh got the email. So option writer, you should have gotten the email as well. A lot of people got the emails. Check 15 minute. What are we checking on 15 minute? Yeah, it's just whatever. 15 minutes. It's a mess. 15 minutes is a mess. You know, 30 minutes just waiting around, you know, just waiting for the candle to close. Without prop firms, what's the minimum capital you should start with? I think without prop firms, the minimum capital you should start with should be, I think, $1,000. $1,000 should be the minimum you should start with. I first joined Raja, learned a lot of things. Big thanks to my subscription is about to end. Will join soon again with my profits. Awesome, Hamza. Thank you. Okay, so what I will do is I will send another email out now I'll send another email out now, you know. So, I mean, if you don't get the email, then I don't know what to do at this point. You just gotta go check your emails. Okay, by the way, a banana is the best fruit out there with the best amount of potassium. The best amount of potassium. Oh. I upgraded my $100 account to $25K in 2 years and lost it in 2 weeks. Well done. Your trading strategy just work on gold? No, it works on every pair. I just focus on gold. Many people call you scammer Raja. Sure, they're just scamming their own minds. They're scamming their own mind. Think about this, right? Whoever calls me a scammer, just think about it. Whoever calls me a scammer, they are not older than 25, you know, not older than 25, or they don't have anything to do in their life at this point, which is why they put all of their energies towards me. You know, if they put all those energies towards themselves, they will be successful. Like the people who make money, they don't go around calling everyone else a scammer. You know, they're focused on making money. People who don't make money, who got nothing going on, they just go around saying everyone's a scammer, you know. That's how it is. I've never called anyone a scammer. Well, maybe twice or thrice, but not repeatedly, you know. How to join MFU? Here, I'm going to paste the link in YouTube now. I can't access the free course anymore. Yeah, no more free courses. No more free stuff. Stopped it. Okay, let's see here. How much lots to trade with $1,000? 0.1. So let me show you here. Let me show you something, right? Let me show you something. So I did this one thing over here. I started from $1,000. Let me show you. Let me show you how or why understanding strategies, it's so important. This is just for inspirational, right? Look. So I started with $1,000. My lot size was 0.05, 0.15, 0.15, 0.1. Started with $1,000. Started this, 11th of March. Okay, 11th of March. I started this 11th of March, and slowly, steadily grew the account. Look at this beautiful growth over here. Look at the growth in lot sizes as well. The lot sizes grew respective to the account balance. Growth, boom, 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 right over here. Look at the date, July. So March, April, May, June, July. 5 months. In 5 months, not 5 days, not 5 weeks. In 5 months, took the account from 1,000 to 20,000, and then withdrew it. I accidentally deposited 300,000 to this account, but then had to withdraw the whole thing and put it somewhere else. But you get the idea, right? It's and the biggest trade I took on this account was this one right over here. Let me show you the net. So okay, so the biggest loss was $200 loss. Biggest loss was 200, and this was all based on market fluidity concepts we have. Biggest loss was 200. Biggest win was 2,000. Nothing crazy, just 2,000 biggest win. Pip size, if you look at the pips, the biggest loss in pips was 25 pips. Biggest loss in, and this was an accident. This was an accident too, you know, because no, this wasn't an accident. The accident was a 0.5 lot I had, whatever. And the biggest win in pips was 186. And how much did I made on that? 186 pips, $270. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Maintained my risk, maintained consistency, nothing nuts, you know, just simple wins. Just simple wins. And if you look at this, right, I was grinding. Look at this grind. I was grinding $36, $4, $39, $40, you know, $50, some big wins over here, you know, grinding $100, $50, you know. I grinded $100, $200, $300, $40. Look at this. At 5,000, I was still grinding like, you know, $200, $100, $100, you know, $140 to be able to grind $1,000 days. Look at this. 300, 400, 200, 1,000, 600, 2,000. It just takes time. You give things time, they will work out in your favor. They will work out in your favor. What percentage risk is a 5 lot on that account size? I don't know. 20,000 5 lot depends on your stop loss, you know. Yeah, it depends on stop loss. So then I accumulated all the money I had and I put it in this one account. So this one account, yeah, all the money I had, I put it in this one account. So the first trade I took in this account was a $15,000 loss. The first trade, I think this was news. Yeah, this was news. Look at this. This was news. So first trade I took in this account was a $15,000 loss. And then slowly I was like, yeah, you know what? I trust my strategy. I trust the way I teach. I trust the way I do things, and I'm going to make it back. And I made it back. Look, 10K over here, lost 2K, another one, then 10K, 6K, 5K, 7K, you know, and now the account is at 581, made about $250,000 since I started this account back in July, actually, 11th July. So 11th July till a month and a half, $250,000, you know, not bad. Raja's Way, screenshot attached. What is this? What is this? Okay, Sharif. Very, very nicely done. So this is wow, this is absolutely amazing. Deposit $10,000, withdraw $1,000. Look at this growth. Amazing growth. Slow and steady growth. This is absolutely amazing, Sharif. Well done. I actually like this. This is wonderful. Congratulations. Look at the drawdown. Look at the draw. Oh, 1.8% drawdown. This is amazing. This is beautiful. See, the proof is in the pudding over here. And the pudding is sweet and the pudding is soft. It's cold. It's just perfect. And that's the proof right there. This is proof in the pudding. Very nice. This is what I like to see. You know, consistency. Consistency, not rushing anything. And that's what works at the end of the day. If you don't rush anything. You ain't gonna make shit. Okay, thanks. It's funny, like when we show things, there's someone comes along and says, scammer. Will you still be trading for your leadership challenge account, waiting for you to build it to 1K? Yeah, I'm still trading it, you know, but I take like 1 trade here, 2 trades there, not a lot, you know. It's in like a 5% drawdown for now. How much should I make on my 5K funded account per week? 10K. Aim to make 10K. Why have you changed your trade time? I remember you traded in USA Market Open because I'm in Dubai now, and the only time I have to trade is this time right over here. Pre-London, London Open. Amazing. Amazing. I have seen amazing gains at pre-London and London Open. Amazing gains. Price moves smoothly. There's no bullshit happening. There's no news happening. You know, it's just so clean. So clean. So remember, I took this trade. I took this one trade, right? I took this trade. Actually, this one right here, 1, 2, 2, 3, right? So I took this trade, and after this trade, just been waiting, just waiting, and look what price has done. Nothing price has done. There was no rhyme or reason to take a buy over here, hold it, and now you're in drawdown. There was no reason. You are from what is your Raja? You are from what is your native place? Brother, my native place is Pakistan. I'm a Canadian citizen as well now. I only have $60. Okay, I'm going to buy the 6K challenge on Funded Next. I trade demo account more than 2 months. That's good or not? No, bro. Withdraw those $60 and go buy your mom some flowers or take her out for like some dinner food. Buy her like a samosa or something. You know, that's what you need to do with those $60. Because you buy the 6K challenge, you lose 10%. Those $60 are gone. Because trading demo, hey, listen. Making money on demo does not guarantee that you will make money on your live account. That's just not going to work. That's just not happening. You know, so take it out of your mind. If you really want to trade, you deposit $60 in your account. You can come over to Dominion Markets, deposit $60 over there, and build it to $100. Or build it to $120, withdraw $60, and then go buy the funded account. That's what I would say is going to be better for you. I've passed 200K real funds because of MFU. Amazing. Beautiful. That is absolutely wonderful. I appreciate Sharif, but when I show my profits to my team, friends, 1 or 2 days after they start asking for money, that's why I keep it private. Well, then you don't have nice friends. You don't have nice friends. I had to cut out a lot of friends from my life. I just cut them out because a lot of them are going to say, hey, Raja, can you enter us in your group for free? I'm like, no. Can you do this for us for free? I'm like, no. The power of no is so amazing. It's so crazy. You have no idea. Just say no. Just say no. If someone asks you, this means they need you. You don't need them. Just say no. Unless they have your balls in their hands, then you can't say no. Then you got to say yes. But 99% of the time, that's not going to be the case. Just say, no, I can't. This is what it is. When my friends ask me, hey, Raja, can you give us access to your group? I send them this link, which I'm going to send it in YouTube. And I say, here's the link. Go purchase it. And then they don't message me again. They literally don't message me again after this. They don't message me. They don't bother me. They don't do nothing after that. Because me sending them the link, I have drawn the line. And you got to draw lines too. You're a big boy. Come on. On 30-minute last candle closed above resistance. Was it a good idea to buy position? Joined MFU last week. I had an impulse entry. I took an impulse entry, right? And I took that impulse entry for price to move up. That's what I did. Impulse entry I did. Okay, lose 10%, you're comfortably closed. That's true. Left for the day. I have 2 trades left for the day. So if I take 2 trades, then C Trader will not let me take a 3rd trade. It will literally ask me 10 times, do I really want to take a 3rd trade? No, or a 4th trade. It will ask me 10 times. And it's annoying. So, yeah. If you can take 1K to 20K, why can't you try making 1 million to 20 million? Well, Mr. Roshan Arif, let me introduce you to how liquidity and leverage works. You know, when your account is at 500,000, your leverage is still 100 to 1. When your account reaches a million, your leverage is 71 to 75. When your account goes over a million, let's say 2 million, whatever, your leverage is dropped down to 1 to 50. If you go close to 5 million, your leverage then becomes 1 to 10. Right? So the leverage decreases as your account grows. Leverage decreases as your account grows. Because as you grow your account, you realize you're a mature trader. You don't need that much leverage. And that's why you can't easily do 1 million to 20 million in the same time it took me 1K to 20K. You know, because your leverage decreases a lot. you know, and I don't keep a lot of money in the platform anyway. Like I keep withdrawing money. I'll show you an example right over here. This is something we did. Raja Retirement MyFXBook. All right, let me show you something over here. From Toronto, been trading Forex for the past 2 years on my own. I randomly came across your videos on Instagram a few months ago. I've learned so much from YouTube content since then. It's made a huge difference in my journey. Recently joined your course and it's been total game changer. Umar, mashallah, very nice. That's absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. All right, so I'm going to sign in over here and I'm going to show you why it's not a good idea to leave a lot of money in your accounts. Which I never did, you know. To be honest, I never I never kept a lot of money in my accounts. All right, so let's go over here. Raja Retirement. All right, take a look at this right here. Balance. Oh, close this. Go to balance. Loading. Okay, we're gonna wait for it to. Okay, look, right. So this 3.4 million % gain. Don't focus on this because MyFXBook, it basically compounds the percentage gain. It compounds the percentage gain, so it's not correct. Drawdown 13%, daily 0.84%, monthly was 43% on average, right? So look, started at 50,000. But look at the withdrawals. Kept withdrawing money. Withdrew 500,000, 10,000, 38,000, 25,000 withdrawal. Account reached 1.3 million. Withdrew 780,000. Look, we were down to 500,000. Then took the account up. Boom, boom, boom. Reached about 2.3 million. Did a bunch of withdrawals. 27,000, 15, 300,000. This is a time when we were trying to move to Dubai. So needed to put a lot of money over there. And then the maximum this account reached was 3.7 million. 3.7 million was the biggest this account was. And then I withdrew a nice, I withdrew 1.5, then withdrew another 1.7, withdrew 550. I don't know why I do whatever. Then we reached 2.9 again, withdrew 500,000, 42,000, 1.8 million, and then came down, and then boom, 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 and then yeah, that's it, you know. So total withdrawals were 9 million over 3 years. Over three, not in 3 months, not in 3 years. It was 3 years. Look, April, 100% gain, whatever, because the account was small. 52%, and you can look at the percentages right over here. There was nothing. It wasn't crazy gains. Look, 2022. It was never crazy gains. Look, March 35%, 33%, 60%, 28%, 10%. This is where I started a 5K account, but whatever. December was 16%, 2023, 64, 32, 30. Nothing crazy. Nothing, just consistency. July, I really went hammered on this. Yeah, we needed 343,000. This was the biggest one. But over 3 years, okay, guys, 3 years, it wasn't massive, it took 3 years. 50K was the deposit. I wish I can be there one day. My only problem now is overtrading. I always give profits back to the market. Listen, I'm not trying to overtrade now. I made 5K today. I made 5.4K today. I'm done. I'm not trying to overtrade at all. We got the 1 hour candle closing here soon as well. How do you set up the daily trade limits in C-Trader like the one on the left on your screen? It's there automatically. Or you can go in settings on C-Trader and pip counter, actions, configurations, should double trade. Oh, no double trade. Auto BE, target, stop loss and profits, trading limits. Yeah. Max trade ideas per day, 3. Max loss percentage per day, 2. Max gain, unlimited. Right? So that's how you do it. Oh yeah, it's MagicKeys. It's not C-Trader. It's MagicKeys. Why not use multiple accounts of 500K, connect them together? Just asking. I don't know. I'm not that smart to do it. I can't. If you own a brokerage, can't you alter liquidity requirement required for your account? No, we can't. we can't do that. And let me explain to you how liquidity works, right? So let's say we have like, 5 million in deposits come in, right? 5 million in deposits come in. Those deposits are kept in segregated accounts, right? 5 million in deposits are kept in segregated accounts. Then 5 million more is attributed to liquidity. Okay, so when you trade, your trades are being traded on liquidity. So when you make money, that balance on liquidity goes up. And when you do a withdrawal, we process a withdrawal from liquidity, comes to us, from us, it goes to you. That's how it works. So that's why whenever you deposit in any brokerage, your deposits are kept in segregated accounts. They're always safe, segregated accounts, your principal accounts. That's why whenever you go for a regulation, like a main regulatory requirement or any sort of like licensing, even if it's Mauritius, Comoros, Seychelles, whatever, they require all deposits to be kept segregated from the company profits or the company funds or from liquidity. So that's what it is at the end of the day. Because I remember when I first started the brokerage, I think the first month we got about, like 400,000 in deposits. So we had to put up our funds up in liquidity, matching those deposits. So the funds are kept segregated. And the one reason why brokerages go down is because the funds are not segregated. They're just mixed in all sorts of bullshit, and that's why a lot of prop firms go down as well. So if you guys haven't really traded on Dominion Markets, I would highly encourage you to give it a shot. Dominion Markets, C-Trader, I will highly encourage you to give it a shot, and you will not be disappointed. Trust me. You got look, the gold spread is like 1 pip, less than 1 pip. There's no markups. Pound yen also, ECN accounts. So where to enter in Discord group? When you sign up to Dominion Markets, you get access to a Discord group in Dominion Markets. This is what we have for our clients in Dominion Markets. Let me show you. So this is what we have for our clients. Actually, last month was the volume we got from India was the third highest last month. The biggest volume we got was from the UK, Australia, and then India. India was the third biggest volume contributor to Dominion Markets. It was insane. So India, you got UPI and stuff like that too. Okay, so look, if you're a client at Dominion Markets, you get access to our community, and you can open up tickets for support, whatever. You can do all those things. You got copy trading options here, right? We have a lot of analysis. You have trading ideas. People post their charts. Sometimes I post my charts too. See right over here, Raja Bank's breakdown. So I post my breakdowns here as well. Then you got profits motivation, you got suggestions, simulation sessions, So you got everything that you need as a trader who's on a broker platform. All right, so we got the 1 hour candle closing over here, and my time to leave is also coming up. Funded account I can get on Dominion, sir, 100K. Yes, once we get Dominion funding up and running, then the deposit fee is too high. I deposit 1K is like 40p. I deposit using the same method. No, we don't have any fee. There's no deposit fee. There's no deposit fee. If there's a deposit fee, open up a ticket. There's no deposit fee. There's no deposit fee. There's no withdrawal fee. None of that. Maybe on crypto, maybe there's an exchange fee of like 0.5%, 0.5 or 0.25%, something like that. But other than that, there's no fee. The only fee there could be when you deposit through a card is when you're exchanging funds from your currency to USD. Maybe there's a fee over there through your bank, but other than that, there's no fee. Yeah, the demo accounts are not connected to the liquidity feed. They're not connected to liquidity feed, which is why you see a higher spread over there. Minimum deposit is $50. Do you consider price action left only current price action? Oh, wow, look at that. We rejected this area here. 1 hour candle, 30-minute. Yeah, we're just stuck. Yes, we do accept Malaysian clients. Why wouldn't we accept Malaysian clients, buddy? Ooh, we got a bunch of news coming in here, I think. How much is this range? This is a 27 pip range. Yeah, I would want to stay away from this range, to be honest. I want to stay away from this range. So now the things have changed, right? So remember, We had the support. Now we have this resistance. This is the resistance we got now. So now I'm going to be looking at for price to break above 25.10 for it to continue to push up. You know, or even now maybe break below this support for price to move down. Crypto payment is very quick. Visa is also very quick. Okay. Anyway, guys, I'm going to head off. Why resistance if candle hasn't closed? Because the candle has broken below the low of this previous candle. So now there's a higher probability for it to continue pushing down. Can you give advice on how to achieve the success you did? What did you do exactly? 1 to 2 trades a day. What did you focus on most? 1 to 2 trades a day. And I also focused on that I did not put a lot of pressure on trading, because the biggest problem you guys have is when you put a lot of pressure on trading, right? When you put a lot of pressure on trading, you are then pressured to succeed. And when you are pressured to succeed, it takes an emotional toll on you, you know, and that emotional toll is something that you see in the markets, like in your trading activity, you're over trading, you're over risking. So that's something you have to stop. You know, I've seen that people who have good jobs, I've seen them do really well in trading because they're already getting a lot of money from their jobs, you know, and they're just focused on that. Anything else? No, there's nothing that helped me. Just time. Just give it time. That's it. Royal Wrist 24. Okay, I'm gonna message you. I'm gonna message you, Royal Wrist. I'm gonna message you. But anyway, take care, guys. What's the day today? Wednesday. I'm gonna see you guys on Friday. Inshallah, I'm gonna see you guys on Friday. Take care. Have fun. Remember, get your magic keys. It's really, really, really gonna help you in trading. Magic keys right there. Anyway, adios. See you Friday.